Hello everyone. In this video, we shall look at how to draw arcs in AutoCAD. We have variety of ways in which we can draw arcs. We have 3 points. We have start, center, end. We have start, center, angle. We have start, center, length. We have start, end, angle, start, end, direction, start, end, radius. And then finally we have center, start, end, center, start, angle, center, start, length. So for these different methods, or around 10 methods, I shall just be picking one in each category and show you on how you're going to use it when drawing arcs in AutoCAD. So the first one is 3 points. So this one creates an arc using 3 points. You just click on that icon and then specify your 3 points. And by that, you'll have drawn your arc. It can be, maybe you have these two lines, and you want to draw your arc, so you'll specify this is the starting point. You have this one, and then you have that one, and by that you have drawn your arc. So that is one way in which you can use to draw an arc. Also, it can be either you have such a thing, and then you just click on that 3 point, specify the starting point. Mine, I want it to be here, the second point, and then finally you have your third point. After that, you can come and trim this part and this part so that you have that arc structure. So that's how you use that 3 point in creating arcs. The next one is, I will just pick one, which is now the center one, which is creating an arc using the starting point, center, and the angle. So you just click on it, specify your starting point, specify the center of that arc, and then specify the angle through which you want it to be subtended with. For mine, I will pick 60, press enter. And with that, you have this structure as your arc. The next method I will pick in the that category, which is start end direction. So for this one, you just specify the starting point, the ending point, and then move your cursor to indicate the direction in which you want your arc to move. So you just move your cursor, and then it will indicate the direction in which that arc will be formed. So let's say you have two lines. One is that one, the first one, and then the second one, you have it here. So if you want to draw an arc using that start, end, and direction, you can draw using it, using this one, this method. And just by doing that, you have your arc. The next one, I'm going to take the final part where I will pick the center, start, and length. So for this one, you pick the center of that arc, and then specify the starting point, and then after that I will specify the length of the chord. I want the length of the chord to be 20 millimeters. After that, I can hold the control key to change the direction, or I can just leave it that way and press enter. And by doing that, you have your arc. This arc, if we were to measure the length of the chord, it's supposed to be that escape. So we are supposed to use the align up to there, and there you have your measurement. So the length of the arc itself, I can just use this one. It is that one, and then the length from the edge to the center. There you have it. So that's how you draw using the center start and the length that you want. So those are the various ways in which you can use to draw a circle depending on the structure that you are drawing.